Hello, good morning guys. So today's plan is that I'm going to continue yesterday's vlog. So I'm going to cover the remaining part of Western groups. So it's already 11:20 now, and the climate is very good today guys. And afterwards in the evening at 4 o'clock we are also going for a trek which is 7 kilometers from you. I'll say about the details later. So now the plan is that first we'll go to the Shiva temple and later we'll go to the Western group of temples. So basically this Shiva temple is worshipped. There is a statue there, and the remaining 12 temples they don't worship anymore. So you can go there and see from the outside and take pictures. There is no restriction for that. We are done with the main temple. So by now you know that it's a Shiva temple. So you see that linga, it's very massive. Till now that's the biggest linga which I have seen. So its total height is 18 feet and you can see 9 feet. The remaining 9 feet is under the ground. So this is the only temple which has idol guys, and the remaining temples don't have it. That's why you can see this fencing. So this separates from the remaining 12 group of temples. In that there are no idols and people don't worship there. So now we are going back to the Western group of temples. But that linga is very massive guys. It's the biggest one I see till now. Very good. So I think we are done with this place guys. I'm really not that satisfied in capturing this beauty because I need more time guys. It's more complicated, but maybe I'll come next time and do only photography thoroughly, because I really want to take some good pictures here, and I really got some, but I still want to do more, just cover one temple each day. So guys, we have finally done with the 4 major temples out of the 12. There are small temples like this which also count in the 12 temples, but the point is they are closed and the most part of them is ruined. But you can see a small art still on that, but most of them is rebuilt and the cement layer is covered on that. You cannot see art anymore because most of them are being destroyed and some of them are collapsed due to the sake of time. And guys, this is my favorite building, and it is also a modern building because there is no architecture on that, but it symbolizes so much. It says that 3 religions, so you can see the dome there, right? So it says that 3 religions are one and we are all connected. So the first is Islamism, and the second is Jainism or Buddhism, and the third one is Hinduism. So it proves that this place is for everybody. As you can see, there is already a lady who is studying. She is a Muslim, but she doesn't feel restricted here, and she is very happy. So it proves that this place is for everybody, and anybody who comes here can explore this place, guys. So that's it with this place. Now I'll go to the hostel, fresh up, and then I'll go for the trek. So now then I'll catch you there. We have finally reached our destination, so we are going to trek now. It's called as Ratla Pahad. So if you're here, if you ask anybody, they'll guide you. So a person from this hostel is here. So this is the best facility in the hostel. So they'll come with you and show you the place around. By the way, guys, I'm keeping this camera here because I don't want to carry too much of stuff up there. I'm just taking my Sony and going up there. I'll shoot some visuals, and I got a drone, so I'll shoot some drone shots, and I'll catch you again later.